How to unprivate your TikTok account. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unprivate your TikTok account. Without further ado, let's get started. So before we open the TikTok app, please make sure that it is up to date. If not, just simply go to your app store or to your Play Store and update the TikTok app. This will ensure that you're going to face the same user interface, and so you will be guided throughout and also have the latest features that is given by TikTok. So let's just go ahead and tap on TikTok right here to open it. And from the For You page or from your home page, let's just click on the profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. So through this page, we are going to access the settings. So if it says private account right here, and if you want to unprivate your TikTok account and turn it into a public account so that everyone can see your video content, let's just click on the 3-bar line at the top right corner. Click on settings and privacy right here. After that, under the account section, you should see the privacy option. Let's just click on that. And since our account is currently set at private, this toggle button should be in a green color. So if you want to unprivate account, just simply click on that toggle button again to disable it or to switch it to public account. So few notes to turning your account into a public one. Anyone will be able to follow you, view your public posts, and answer your questions from public posts. Next is you can also review who can do it and stitch your videos in settings and privacy. You can allow do it and allow stitch. Must also be turned on in the video's privacy settings to allow others to do it or stitch the video. And lastly, review whether to allow others to download your posts in settings and privacy. So turning your account into a public one will have you many setting configurations as well. So just click on switch right here to finally unprivate your TikTok account. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.